let's pop that. I already know that you're gonna need a 13 and a 10. So the 10 is for the terminals, and this 13 is to get the bolts surrounding the battery. That's kind of like a, what you call it, like a cover protected thing. So you'll see. Just kind of set those aside. I'm gonna pop that off, pull this out, and then you're gonna pull this out, and you pull this out. Try not to damage it. And these are the bolts that I was talking about that are 13s. So you have to use that. And you pull this up. Just remember that it's a little bit shorter on this side when you line it back up. So there's that. So this will come off, and then you can pull the ground off just like this. Oh, we'll loosen it a little bit more, so like that. And then they have it covered pretty good, so you actually have to pull up, slide these two out, and then this backside you don't have to take off. It's just full of a bunch of wires, stuff you don't really need to mess with. And then you can actually take this off too. So I've been told that if you touch the terminals together, it helps reset the computer. I don't know if it does, but we'll see. Actually got to tighten this. Tighten pretty good so I don't got to come back in the parking lot somewhere and be like, oh, my battery's loose. Alright, check this again. Alright, cool. So that's that. You're gonna put your cover back on. I won't lack on any of this. Make sure it all goes back to almost OEM-ish. And this just kind of sits on, I guess. It kind of sits there. Then we got our piece. Put our front bolts in. Now time to put everything back. Slide that sucker in. Slide this in. And your last. This is like the only fun part. Whee! Bam, just like that. Just back to pretty.